So if bago ka pa lang sa content creation and gusto mong kumita habang nagpo-post ng content, well, this is the best opportunity for you. Hey guys, this is PM and today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin ginawa na kumita dito sa Crosswave campaigns and also sa Crosswave missions. Anyway guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, mag-subscribe ka na and i-hit mo na rin yung ating notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Crosswave. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano nga ba kayo kikita by just participating sa Crosswave campaigns, also sa Crosswave missions, and also by referring your friends dito sa Crosswave. So lahat yan guys, itatakal natin. But the first thing na gusto kong i-discuss dito guys is kung totoo nga bang kumikita dito kay Crosswave. So tayo guys, nag-participate tayo dito kay Crosswave way back February 16. And so far, yung total na kinita natin kay Crosswave is so far medyo worth it naman, no, sa effort na binigay natin sa campaigns na to. So tara, simulan na natin at i-check muna natin kung magkano nga ba yung kinita ko during my first month. So as you can see here guys, ito yung total earned natin sa mga campaigns na sinalihan natin. So all in all, yung total reward na nakuha ko is around 7,591 cross token. Now if you want proof kung talaga bang binayaran yan guys, papakita ko din sa inyo yung CrossX wallet ko. So pag nakita nyo dito sa screen natin, makikita nyo dito under the cross history na ang total na cross na na-receive ng wallet na to is around 7,591 plus 200. Okay? Kasi meron din tayo nakuha sa missions na 200. So ito, nag-earn din tayo dito by just posting a short content. Now, in terms of the conversion guys, kung kinash out ko si Cross Token right now, ang total na amount niyan would be 41,674. Dahil sobrang nag-pump si Crosswave due to the activities and also sa mga bagong products na nilaunch nila, which is also gagawan din natin ng video, especially yung cross predictions guys. But anyway, Crosswave is a growing community as well. At the same time, ito yung isa sa mga tokens na so far may magandang movement kahit bear market right now. So, the good thing about Crosswave is they are deploying multiple campaigns. I think every 15 days or every matatapos yung campaign guys, lagi silang nagde-deploy ng mga bagong campaign. So, currently, yung available campaigns right now is 5. And so far, we were able to participate dito sa tatlo. So, sa SailM, sa Rowan 2, and also sa Crosswave. Okay, pero dito sa Cross Prediction and also sa Cross Multi-Royale, hindi pa natin siya nagagawan. But anyway, if you want to watch on how do they grade us, okay, dito sa content na ginagawa namin guys, is you can actually watch this video as a reference for the long-form content, which is the campaigns, okay? And then for the missions naman, ito naman yung video na pwede nyong gawing reference. So, dito makikita nyo that there are multiple missions, okay, for this one that you can finish. So, yung iba, marami pang hindi nakakagawa dito. So, that's like 30 cross tokens. So, kung susamahin natin, gumawa ka lang ng isang short form content, meron ka ng 30 cross token, which is around 164 pesos. Okay, isang short form content lang yan. Kahit konti lang subscribers mo, okay lang yan. Mag-post ka lang ng short contents. I think mas mabilis magkaroon ng views in terms of posting it on YouTube Shorts instead of TikTok. So dito kasi sa mga missions na to guys, required magkaroon ng views, at least 5 views. So each mission, meron siyang specific guidelines. Okay, so you just have to follow it and make sure na you put the hashtags. If in any case man na kailangan lagyan ng hashtag yung video na yon. So you can either post this sa TikTok or sa YouTube, depende sa inyo kung saan nyo gusto i-post or saan kayo may community. Alright, but for the campaigns mainly, they cater the YouTube peeps. Okay, usually kailangan nyo talaga ng YouTube channel in order for you to be able to compete with this one. So currently, meron tayong pending reward for SailM, which is 11,937. So if we convert that into the current price right now, so currently meron tayong 65,000 pesos guys. Imagine just one campaign, doing contents, playing the game that you'd like to play, and get rewarded with this amount. So pwede pang tumaas yan guys kasi syempre nagkikreate pa tayo ng content. Pwede rin yung bumaba kasi meron din tayong kakompetensya sa CLM. So it really depends on how you actually make your content, kung ano ba laman ng content mo. Quality isn't just about the editing itself. It's not just about the knowledge that you have in the game. It's all about, you know, your overall quality. Okay? When I say overall quality, yung confidence mo sa pagharap sa camera, yung pag-i-edit mo, yung laman ng content mo, kung valuable ba siya, and if it has a positive effect doon sa campaign na ginagawan mo ng content. So basically, if you want to know more about it, then you can watch these videos guys para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea on how they grade us with the contents. Okay? So yun lang naman guys. Now, aside from this one, they also have this brand new referral mode. Okay? So pwede kayo ditong mag-refer ng mga kapwa nyo streamers. And by the way, kapag ginawa nila yung campaigns na reward sila, okay, matik yan, makakuha kayo ng 5% of their reward. So imagine nyo na lang guys, kunwari ako, na-refer nyo ako, no? Ang total reward natin is around 65,000 pesos. Okay? If you get the 5% of 65,000 pesos, that's around, sabihin na lang natin, mga 3,000 plus. Okay? So, gamitan natin ng calculator guys. Pero, pretty much, yun yung range yan. So, 65,000 pesos na lang, times mo ng 0.05. So, 3,250. You gain it by just referring your content creators na kakilala. Okay? So, that's the good thing about this referral mode kasi it gives us the opportunity to spread the word about Crosswave and at the same time to also help new content creators and existing content creators that are looking for opportunities. So, yun naman talaga yung pinaka-goal ni Crosswave is to cater more streamers, more content creators to be onboarded dito sa Crosswave campaign. So that's the reason why we are also encouraging you guys na kung bago ka lang yung sa content creation, talagang i-force mo siya kasi hindi lang naman dito nagtatapos yung content creation. Sooner or later, there are other opportunities na lalapit sa inyo and that is because you started with Crosswave. So, kumbaga, gawin nyo tong stepping stone guys in order for you to be able to develop your skills in terms of talking about specific campaigns, talking about how Crosswave works, your editing skills, and everything that you need to improve as a content creator. Okay? So, nag-start kami way back 2021 and right now we're still here. We're still trying to make content creation for a living. So, kahit pa paano naman so far, isa to sa mga pinaka-the best decision na ginawa ko way back 2021. So, yun lang naman guys. Gusto ko lang kayo ding maging aware na merong ganitong klase ng campaigns that will make you money by just posting content. So, maraming salamat ulit guys sa panonood. By the way, tomorrow gagawa tayo ng bagong content kasi tomorrow madi-deploy na po yung reward ko for March. So, abangan nyo guys kung magkano yung kinita natin doon and also yung content natin or yung reward natin sa April, mas malaki yun guys. So, yun lang naman. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood mga brother. And if you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below. We are always here to answer these questions for you. Yun lang guys, and this is BM again. Peace out.